Well, hello again, everyone, and welcome back to Vickie's Country Home. I'm super excited today that we're starting a new collaboration, and this one is going to be so nice because I love all three of these ladies. I've watched their channels, I've spoken with them or chatted with them, and I love all of their hearts. So I'm here to announce that we're going to have a new collaboration called Super Sides Saturday. This is all about that forgotten thing that we never seem to do many videos on, and that's the side dish. And this was Lori at Whipporwill Holler's idea, and I love it. So thanks, Lori. And we are going to have myself, Lori at Whipporwill Holler. It's going to be Jeri at My Blind Mama's Messy Kitchen, and Katie from Heritage Ways. And again, I love all three of these ladies, so please go check them out. But we'd also like to invite everyone along. If you'd like to participate, feel free. Just put the name in the title and mention it at the beginning and send us the link so that we can add it to our playlists. And it's going to run from this Saturday, March 10th through Saturday the 24th of March. 3 weeks, 3 Saturdays. But feel free to join in. I think this is going to be fun, and give us all some new ideas and some different things that we can make for our families. And I really look forward to seeing what everybody has to bring to the table. Literally, literally bring to the table. So, again, 3 weeks, starting this Saturday, the 10th, and going through the 24th. Make a side dish. Let us know what you're making. Thanks for watching, and if you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and share it with your friends. And again, thank you for watching Vickie's Country Home, and we will talk again soon.